Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? It's our 16th or 17th day of learning English. Speaking any language fluently must we have to practice every day. For that initially we should start with 1 minute. Speaking in 1 minute English is a great practice for improving your communication skills. Especially when you need to convey information concisely, it helps you structure your thoughts and get to the point quickly. Whether it's for presentations, interviews, or simply expressing your ideas efficiently. Mastering the art of speaking in 1 minute segments can be valuable. It forces you to prioritize information and engage your audience effectively. So yes, speaking in 1 minute English can be useful skill to develop, especially skill of speaking English. That's why if anybody is not going to practice, it might no chance to be able to speak fluently. So we can speak English without any hesitation, without stopping, without thinking. For that we must practice daily. As we have heard many times that practice makes a man perfect. So how we speak 1 minute? For that we should have to choose any topic daily, like my daily routine, like any topic, any animal, season, weather, rainy day, and then we will be able to speak a little better. But we are not going to practice, we are not going to speak, then there is no chance of having a good fluency power. So today I am giving you an example of daily activities. As we wake up early in the morning, my daily routine is I wake up early in the morning at 5. Then I get ready for prayer. After prayer, I come back daily to home. Then I take rest. After that, I go to my work and I do my lunch at time after returning from my work. And also I take a rest in noon. Then I go to the center for having my class of English language. After that, I do some religious activities up to Isha. After that, it's my daily routine to sleep quickly, having done dinner after Isha. This is my daily activities. Like this, guys, you should have to choose any topic daily to practice your speaking. So language is related with the tongue, with the speaking, which can be polished and furnished by speaking every day. Okay, I hope you will choose a topic and will do practice. Assalamu alaikum.